Now, as a reminder, what we just covered was ArrayLocalVariable.c, and that had a 6 long array followed by a single long. Now let's do a small permutation on that, ArrayLocalVariable2. We're going to break up that A that was 6 longs before. We're going to make it 3, and we're going to give it explicit initialization with an implicit 0. And then we're going to have another 3 that we'll call C down here with no initialization. And we're going to take the same initialization here, B to that magic value, A to that magic value, which when added together will give us Balboa bled blood. But we're going to store it this time into C of 2 and return C of 2 instead of returning A of 4 like we did in the last one. So the question we're posing here and the inference we want to gain from this is that we saw with A and B that they were array and a scalar, and they were allocated in basically the same way that we've seen thus far for unoptimized code, the exact sort of ordering, just reversed because of our stack diagram. But now we've got A an array, B a scalar, and C an array. We want to know, are they going to still be in exactly that order? Will B be in the middle? Will B be at the beginning? Will B be at the end? We don't know until we compile it and step through the code. No new assembly here, no surprise. So go ahead and start with your initialized values and create your own stack diagram based on stepping through this code in the debugger.